If you're over 60 and have started to feel more unsteady when walking, standing, or even turning around, you are not alone. This is one of the most common struggles seniors face, and it can feel frustrating or even frightening. But here's the truth. It's not just aging. In fact, balance loss is often due to specific systems in your body, like your ankles, eyes, and inner ears, not being challenged or used enough in daily life. They slowly go quiet, and your brain starts relying on shortcuts to keep you upright. And the biggest issue? Most generic exercises don't activate these deep stabilizing systems. That's why they don't help as much, or worse, make you feel discouraged. But there's good news. In just 3 minutes a day, you can begin to wake these systems up again, right from your living room. You don't need a gym, pills, or expensive gear. All it takes is the right type of movement. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 science-based exercises that rebuild the real foundation of balance: your ankle control, postural shifts, and reflex coordination. These are the same movements physical therapists use with patients who have real-world balance issues, and we've adapted them to be safe and effective for anyone over 60. So if you're tired of feeling off balance, worried about falls, or just want to move with more confidence again, stay with me. You'll learn exactly what to do and why it works. Let's get started with the first essential move. When it comes to improving balance, most people think about leg strength or general exercise. While those help, they often miss the real target: your sensory systems. Your balance depends on 3 critical components working together: proprioception, your body's ability to sense position, especially at your feet and ankles; vestibular system, small organs in your inner ear that detect head motion and help you stay upright; visual input, your eyes help correct posture, especially when surfaces are unstable. As we age, these systems don't stop working, but they become less active because we don't challenge them enough. And when one weakens, the others can't fully compensate. That's when you start feeling wobbly, unsure on stairs, or afraid to turn your head while walking. Now, here's the breakthrough. You can reactivate these systems, but you must stimulate them directly, and that's where our 3 exercises come in. Toe walking isn't just a calf workout. It forces your ankles to stabilize with every step and strengthens the muscles that keep you from tipping forward. Backward weight. Shifts in a staggered stance mimic real-life situations like stepping off a curb or adjusting your footing. This retrains your brain to respond quickly and accurately to shifts in weight, an essential skill for preventing falls. Eyes closed with head turns forces your vestibular system to take control. By removing visual input, you strengthen the reflexes deep in your inner ear, building true balance capacity, even in the dark or when disoriented. Together, these exercises activate the exact systems that fade with age, and they do it fast. Most people start noticing improvements in stability, confidence, and walking control within just a few sessions. And here's the best part. They're adaptable. You don't need to do them perfectly. You just need to start, and your body will begin to relearn what it once did automatically. In the next part, we'll walk through each move step by step, starting with toe walks, one of the simplest yet most powerful balance resets you can do at home. Let's begin with the first exercise, toe walks. This movement may look simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to wake up your ankles, calves, and stabilizers, especially if you've been walking less or avoiding uneven ground. How to perform toe walks safely. Stand near a wall or sturdy counter. You don't need to hold it, but stay close in case you need support. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed. Engage your core slightly and look straight ahead, not down at your feet. Rise up onto your toes slowly. Hold that position briefly. You should feel the muscles in your calves and ankles working to keep you steady. Begin walking forward slowly. Take small steps, staying on your toes. Focus on moving in a straight line and keeping your balance. Go for 10-15 steps, then pause and lower your heels. Rest, then repeat. Modifications for safety. If staying on your toes the whole time feels unstable, you can alternate. Take one step on your toes, then rest the heel, then the next. You can also practice standing on your toes in place first until you build confidence. Always stay close to a surface you can grab quickly if needed. Why it works. Toe walking directly strengthens the calves, which are crucial for pushing off when walking. But more importantly, it trains your ankle stabilizers, tiny muscles that help you avoid twisting or collapsing when stepping on uneven surfaces. As we age, these muscles often weaken simply because we stop challenging them. That's why many people trip over nothing or feel unsure on small inclines. Toe walking forces them back to life. What to expect? You may feel a bit of shakiness at first. That's normal. It means the right systems are being challenged. Do just a few steps at a time. Over the days and weeks, you'll feel stronger, lighter, and more secure. Real-life benefits. Practicing toe walking helps with climbing stairs with better control, preventing forward falls, improving posture and walking efficiency. Even just a few rounds a day can retrain your lower body to move with precision again. Ready to add more challenge? In the next section, we'll shift your weight backward, rebuilding real-world balance reactions you need every day. Our next move is one of the most realistic, functional balance exercises you can do because it mimics what happens in real life, shifting your weight forward and backward while standing. This exercise helps you retrain your brain and legs to respond correctly when your center of gravity changes. Think of stepping on an uneven curb or catching yourself if you lose balance. The exercise. Backward weight shifts in tandem. Stance. Find a sturdy counter or the back of a chair for support. You'll want something you can lightly touch or hold if needed. Stand with one foot directly in front of the other, like you're on a tightrope. This is called tandem stance. Your front heel should touch or nearly touch the toes of your back foot. Engage your core and look forward. Stay tall and relaxed. Shift your weight slowly onto your front foot, starting with your heel. Feel the pressure move to the front leg. Then slowly shift back onto your rear foot, beginning with your toes. This reverse motion activates key stabilizing muscles. Repeat this weight transfer 10-15 times, then switch feet. Alternate which foot is in front for balance. Important tips. Move slowly and with control. You're not rocking back and forth quickly. Feel your feet fully contacting the floor with each shift. This builds proprioception. If you feel too wobbly, widen your stance slightly or do the movement beside a wall. Why this exercise is so powerful. Many falls occur because our body can't react quickly enough when weight shifts suddenly. This drill directly retrains those reaction patterns. It works the hips, ankles, core, and brain, teaching them to communicate again in real time. That's especially important if you've been sedentary or recovering from injury. Common mistakes to avoid: rushing the motion. Slow, deliberate shifting is where the magic happens. Leaning too far forward or backward. Keep your upper body upright. Holding your breath. Breathe normally to keep tension out of your neck and shoulders. Real-life impact. This exercise improves stability when walking on uneven ground, control when stopping or changing direction, confidence with everyday movements like reaching, stepping down, or turning. Think of this as reprogramming your balance reflexes. You're teaching your body how to respond correctly again, and that makes everything feel more stable. Next, we'll take your progress one step further by removing visual input and activating the inner ear reflexes directly. This next move may seem simple, but it's one of the most powerful ways to improve your balance if you're over 60. Why? Because it activates the system most people forget about, your vestibular system, the balance center inside your inner ear. As we age, we naturally start relying more on our vision to stay upright. But what happens if the lights go out? Or you look away while walking? If your inner balance reflexes aren't trained, that's when falls happen. This exercise retrains your vestibular system to work on its own, without visual help. Let's go through it step by step. The exercise. Head turns, while standing with eyes closed. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart in a comfortable, stable position. Choose a safe spot near a wall or counter. You won't need to hold on, but it's smart to be close in case you lose your balance. Gently close your eyes. Keep your posture upright and relaxed. Slowly turn your head to the right as if you're looking over your shoulder, eyes still closed. Return to center, then turn your head to the left. Repeat 5 to 10 times, always moving with control. If you start to feel dizzy, pause and open your eyes. Key safety tips. Always do this with support nearby. Move slowly. Don't jerk your head. If closing your eyes feels too difficult, keep them open for the first few reps and progress gradually. Why it works so fast. When you remove vision from the equation, your vestibular system and proprioception, body awareness, must work harder. This exercise helps rebuild the brain's trust in your inner ear balance reflexes, which tend to weaken when we rely only on sight and surface sensation. It's like recalibrating a GPS. It helps your body know where it is in space, even with the screen turned off. What you might feel: slight swaying or instability at first, totally normal. Light fatigue in your legs and trunk muscles, they're working. A bit of dizziness in some cases. If it happens, stop, breathe, and resume later. Real-life benefits: better balance in low-light conditions, safer movement when multitasking, like turning your head while walking, sharper reflexes for catching yourself if you stumble. Think of this as refining your internal balance compass. And the good news? Even doing just 30 seconds a day can make a noticeable difference over time. In our final section, we'll wrap up everything you've learned today and show you how to turn this into a powerful daily habit that protects your independence. Congratulations! If you've made it this far, you're already doing more for your balance than most people ever will. And the best part? You didn't need a gym, pills, or expensive equipment. You just needed to move with intention. And now, your body is starting to remember how. Let's quickly recap the 3 powerful moves you learned today. Toe walks activated the lower legs and improved the mind-muscle connection with your calves and ankles. Backward weight shifts strengthened your postural control and taught your body how to stabilize in motion. Head turns with eyes closed reawakened your inner ear reflexes, helping you balance without relying on vision. Each of these exercises targets a different system: muscle, posture, and vestibular. And together, they form a daily habit that supports your safety, independence, and confidence as you age. But remember, the key isn't perfection, it's consistency. You don't need 30 minutes, you need 3 minutes, done daily. Think of it like brushing your teeth, just a small daily routine that keeps everything working properly. Here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, repeat this sequence. Morning, afternoon, or evening, it doesn't matter. Just find your moment. And every time you do, visualize yourself walking across a room with more ease, going for a stroll without hesitation, bending down to pick something up without wobbling. Those small daily victories build a future of freedom. Still not sure it's working? Give yourself 2 weeks. Take note of how you feel each day. You might notice more confidence walking on uneven ground, less dependence on walls or furniture, a new sense of control when turning, stopping, or stepping quickly. That's your body rewiring itself. That's progress. Your next step. If this video gave you a clear path and a sense of hope, I want you to comment below with, "I'm restarting my balance." Tell me where you're starting from. I read every single one, and your story could inspire someone else to take that first step. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. Share it with a friend or loved one who might be struggling with stability or confidence. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we're just getting started. Coming up, a full follow-along routine that builds on these exact exercises, plus a special edition for those with severe joint pain or neuropathy. Watch next. Seniors, rebuild your balance in 3 minutes a day. No gym, no pills. One of our most powerful videos to date. You've got this. You're not too old. You're not too weak. You are adaptive, capable, and ready to move forward. Stay strong, stay steady, and I'll see you in the next video.